Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Fanttik X8 Apex Deluxe air inflator. So inside, you get the user manual, you get the air inflator tube, the air inflator itself. You have the charging adapter, charging cord, and you also have a Schrader valve, and it comes with a nice storage case. Briefly going over some specs, this weighs in at about 1,285 grams. It has a 2600 milliamp hour battery. The pressure range is from 3 to 150 psi. USB-C input 5 volt to 3 amps. USB-A output 5 volts to 2 amps. And the working temperature is 0 Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. So taking a look at the air inflator unit, it's pretty compact. It's a decent size. You have the Fanttik logo on the side. On the front here, you have a large display, and you also have your controls. The bottom, you have your USB-C input and also a USB-A output if you want to charge out your devices. The top, you have the air inflator attachment, and then you also have a light here. So looking at the controls, you have the light button, the power button, the plus and minus to increase the pressure, and then you also have the mode button. So pressing the power button, you can see large display here. You have your preset for your pressure, and then you have the current pressure, and then you have your battery indicator. Pressing the mode button on the side, you can switch from bar to kPa and then back to PSI. So you can increase by pressing the plus and then decrease by pressing the minus. It also has presets. Pressing the mode button, you have a car preset, motorcycle, a bicycle, and then for your inflatables. To the left, you have the light button. So pressing it once will turn on the light. Pressing it again, it goes into a flashing mode. Okay, so I have the hose attached, and you can see the current PSI is 30, so we'll inflate it to 35. All right, here we go. Okay, so it reached the 35 PSI that I have it set, and then it automatically shut off. It's not too loud, and that was fairly quick. So there you have it. That's the Fanttik X8 air inflator. Works very well, inflated the tire quick, and I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.